KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Let's go, guys. So what key are we in? Guys, remember, as in the last lesson, we're still in the key of E flat major. And we're doing the regular and A, which is what, guys? It's E flat, A flat, B flat, A flat, E flat. So you're in a 1, 4, 5, 4. Back to your 1 and repeat over and over again. So what am I doing, guys? On your keyboard or on your Mac, this sound is in a category called pluck sounds, or what's another word? Synth comp sounds. You might be able to find sounds like these in those categories. So you'll find these, or maybe even a bell. So you'll be able to find sounds like these. So what am I doing here? I keep hitting the B flat. Why? Because both the E flat, which is your 1, has B flat in it, and the B flat has B flat in it. So. And remember, there's a passing chord, which is A major. So I use 2 hands and go. I skip the beat. So just as long as you're staying within that time. 1. So it starts on the 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. It starts on the 4.5 to your 1. That's how much you're hitting this B flat major here. So within that one little space in the count, you can keep hitting B flat. And then you resolve on the F, D, and then it's G, E flat. So in the key of C, let's say you're playing in the key of C, how would you interpret this? You'll take your 5, which is F, and since you're on G major, since that's the chord you're on now, you go D, B, and then so F is your 4, and you do the same thing, which is E, C. But we're doing this in E flat. So this is good when you're playing with the full band. Like you have someone doing everything else. Like you have 2 guitars or something like that. When you have a full band, you can do stuff like this. And it sounds nice. So you guys don't know where to place this. This is Roland Blase signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play, and we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. This Kompa course, how to chaque, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
something that's good for me.